Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy and improve your skin glow? Meet the superstar of Ayurveda, Amla Juice. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to improve your skin and how to improve your hair. Incredible benefit of Amla Juice and how you can easily include in your daily routine. What you need: cucumber, coriander leaves, curry leaves, 10 to 12 pieces, and Amla. Wash the amla thoroughly to remove any dirt. Cut into small pieces and discard the seeds. Add the amla pieces to a blender. Pour some water and blend until it is smooth. Use a fine strainer. Strain the blended mixture into a bowl. Press down to extract as much juice as possible, and your amla juice is ready. This juice is very benefit for your hair growth and improve your skin tone also. Stop your hair fall. Add this juice in your daily routine and see the
Drink
magic.
it daily,
For
at least
better
1 week.
result,
After that, you will see the magic. For your health, ready to try it. Let us know in the comment if you are already love it or if you are excited to give it a shot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for